Fish display a wide variety of colors and patterns. The coloration can have many functions, such as mating signals, predator deterrence, or camouflage. Inconspicuous coloring can help them to blend in with their surrounding environment to avoid being seen by a predator, or to allow predators to sneak up on potential prey without being noticed prematurely. Fish colors can generally be divided into two groups, display patterns and camouflage patterns. Mottled coloring falls into the category of camouflage. Mottled coloration is a pattern of irregular marks, spots, streaks, or patches in different shades or colors. These colors and patterns vary based on their environment and conditions. Mottled coloring is most commonly found in deep-water fish, meaning fish found at considerable depths. In contrast, fish that spend most of their lives near the surface, such as coral reefs, tend to have bright, bold colors and bizarre patterns. Drab, mottled colors are significantly more common in lake fish than ocean marine species. Part of the reason is because lakes lack coral. In the ocean, coral use various methods other than camouflage to protect themselves, such as an outer armor or toxins. For this reason, coral tends to be vibrant and colorful. A fish's camouflage is adapted based on the colors of its environment, and the plant life in lakes generally includes shades of green and brown. These drab background colors have led to the adaptation of similarly colored fish. Some reef fish also have poisonous toxins or unpalatable taste to deter predators. They advertise these adaptations with bright patterns and colors. Many fish will also mimic them to appear unappetizing to predators. Freshwater fish species have not adapted poisonous defense mechanisms, therefore camouflage is their best chance of survival. Manitoba is home to many lake species with mottled coloring. Some common fish found in Manitoba with these coloring patterns include walleye, smallmouth bass, northern pike, and sculpins. Take a look at the mottled sculpin. The sculpin is a freshwater fish found widely throughout North America. As its name suggests, its coloration is a combination of bars, spots, and speckles. As you can see in the video, they're difficult to see and blend in with the lake bottom. Some fish generally remain the same color throughout the day, while other species have developed chameleon-like reactions to blend in with their immediate surroundings. This is known as adaptive camouflage. Many fish also alter their color in day and night to correspond with their environment. A study conducted in Ontario lakes found that of 21 fish species investigated, 10 fish exhibited no color change, 7 became paler, and 5 developed mottled coloration, with the exception of one species that got both paler and mottled. The ones with mottled coloration had essentially uniform, unmottled coloration during the daytime, and mottled coloration occurred when the fish were resting at night on the bottom of the lake. One of the species investigated in this study was the common suckerfish in Greenleaf Lake, Algonquin Park, Ontario. The fish was a relatively plain color, but when resting at the bottom, the suckerfish changed its colors to a mottled pattern, expressing dark bars on the dorsal and lateral sides of the body. Similarly, the Iowa darter in Greenleaf Lake changed coloration depending on the time of day. Daytime coloration consisted of highly contrasting shades of dark brown and light brown interspersed with bright flashes of red. At night, the species was extremely difficult to find. In addition to hiding at night, the coloration was of much less contrast than in the daytime, and the red, which was highly visible during the day, was almost undiscernible at night. Mottled coloring indicates a strong evolutionary pressure for prey species to disguise themselves, especially when at rest on the bottom. Camouflage is one of the most widespread forms of anti-predator defense. Mottled coloring is found in many species, not only fish. Giraffes, for example, have a mottled pattern of spots on their bodies. There are multiple reasons for their patterns, including the regulating of body temperature. However, they are notably used as camouflage, optically breaking up their body shapes to hide from predators. Many fish have evolved with mottled coloration patterns because it helps to disguise and camouflage them in predator and/or prey situations. For many prey fish, the instinct of flight, or swimming away in this case, is energetically inefficient and can often be unsuccessful in outswimming a predator fish. The much more effective alternative, especially for slower and less agile species, is camouflage.
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out!
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.
Here's Brucey!
Camouflage is a simple, passive strategy that allows the fish to blend into its surroundings, reducing its chances of becoming sushi. A fish whose color matches the environment will likely live significantly longer than a fish that stands out. Camouflage is not only used to escape predators, but can be used by predators themselves to sneak inconspicuously within striking distance of their prey. The Livingston's cichlid is an excellent example of this. Its mottled coloration allows it to blend in among the substrate in Lake Malawi. The cichlid has also developed the ability to play dead and lie on its side against the bottom of the lake. This adaptation helps the cichlid to escape the notice of both predators and prey. Mottled coloring has proven to be a significant evolutionary advantage to fish, which is why so many species have developed this adaptation. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Fish Adaptation Fridays.